Welcome to PROMOVET case study video. This short instructional video will show you how to use some of the features of Telegram in your teaching practice. Telegram is a direct message app and web-based platform with increased functionalities that are adapted for its introduction to the classroom. The benefits of using Telegram in classrooms usually relate to its multiple platform functionality, as you can have it in an app both in iOS, Android and Microsoft, and also have access to it in laptops and web browsers. Furthermore, its powerful group facility allows educators to create or participate in massive educational groups in excess of 200,000 members. An additional strong point is the ability to transfer all types of file formats like JPEG, audio, movie, PDF, Excel, Word, PowerPoint and zip of any size while having them synchronized in all devices. Telegram can be used effectively to enhance the traditional classroom environment by providing basic functionalities for continuous student involvement, such as posting announcements, forum discussions, quizzes, open-ended questions, group project reports, listening, pronunciation and writing practices, audio and video exchanges, feedback forms, and problem solving. As opposed to the group chat, Telegram provides a channel function, which can be restricted and followed by students of a specific class. The educator can then upload all the resources during the course of the class in a digital depository. Depending on the privacy options, the resources can then be synced in the cloud and be available in all devices. Now that you know a little bit about Telegram and how you can use it to enhance class learning, you should create an account on Telegram and familiarize yourself with the key features of the app. For more ideas on how online tools can be used in your teaching practice, remember to log on to the PROMOVET platform and check out our compendium of online tools, which provides you with advice